Hey guys, so today I want to talk about my favorite everyday sunscreen. This is the Roche-Posay Anthelios 50 plus SPF, and this is my everyday sunscreen. I truly love this. I love the finish. I love that it's not greasy. It's like a matte finish, so it's perfect for underneath your makeup. So what I do every single day is I just apply some of it like that. You have to shake it prior to applying it. I already shaked it, but very important to shake it. And I just put it all over my face and neck. And you'll see it's not greasy at all. It has like this matte finish. It's super fast absorbing, which I love. And you can see it leaves like no shiny residue on my face, which I cannot rave about this sunscreen. It's amazing. If you're looking for like the perfect sunscreen for like not a greasy finish, like perfect for underneath makeup, it's super fast absorbing, so you won't feel like that greasy, uncomfortable feeling. This is a product for you. Definitely check this out.